Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be my recent purchases from Plum Body Loving. You guys already know Plum is my favorite brand for body care range. I haven't used much of Plum's skincare range. मुझे एक दो चीजें यूज की है, मुझे पसंद नहीं आया, but Plum's body care range is insane. With every launch they just nail it. None of their fragrances I feel is overpowering, at least as far as I've tried. So here is the huge package I got. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it with you guys. So I'm like super excited and I couldn't wait filming this video. I even forgot what I bought, so I'm like super excited. Let's go. So I'm gonna open it. Here is the cutter and let's go. Here is the things that I've got. Why I'm excited is I've gotten a freebies. Like, you know, when you order from these websites, you always get freebies. So I'm like super excited. I'm trying out a new hair care range. In this video, I'm trying out a new hair care range. This is a Plum coconut milk and peptide range. Back when I have purchased from Plum range, they gave me a sample, like a sachet sample, shampoo की जो like ₹2 का sample sachet आता था ना पहले. So basically, they gave me a small, maybe it might have been a 5 ml or 10 ml quantity. I don't know. They gave me that sample, two of their sachets for free. Shampoo, I traveled with it last time when I'd gone and I used it and I really loved it. I really loved it because it didn't come with a conditioner. It just came with a shampoo and the shampoo made my hair so soft. So I was intrigued and I also saw Shweta Vijay raving about this range and couple of other my favorite YouTube influencers. So I thought, why not give this entire range a shot, because the shampoo is performing so good. Probably the conditioner and the masks are gonna perform well as well. So this is the Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine shampoo. I've gotten a huge bottle as well. I don't want to try it. I've already tried it. The quantity is, I think, 500 ml. MRP is 6.99 and I picked it up for 413 rupees at offers. That's a very nice smell. Like, it does have a coconutty smell. It's very nice. It's not super artificial as well. So this says it nourishes and enhances shine. I'm gonna use it the entire range. I'm gonna like give you my like final review. It doesn't have parabens, sulfates, phthalates, etc. बोल रही हूँ उससे भी कम में मुझे मिला because obviously final coupon code and when you pay online they give 5% cashback as well. वो सब मिलके मुझे सारे products बहुत ही अच्छे rate में मिले. So that's that. I've already used it and I like it. If you have dry frizzy hair, you can give this range a shot. They also come in very tiny bottle, 50 ml की quantity में भी आते हैं. So I guess you can try that out first. If you like it, you can invest in a full size. So the next is the conditioner. This is the Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine conditioner. Enhances shine, nourishes hair, and prevents breakage. It has shea butter and olive derived squalene. Squalene is supposed to be good for your hair as well. So this is 175 gram. क्वांटिटी MRP is, so I picked this for 218 rupees और इसके ऊपर भी फाइनल मेरे को ये ऑफर मिला था. So that's that. I'm like again super excited to use this because like I just hope I don't get disappointed because अगर इसका okay the packaging इसको खोलते ही ये टूट गया guys. इतना flimsy packaging. Again इसका smell भी same coconutty smell आ रहा है. So that's that. Then I have the mask from them. This is the Coconut and Peptide Strength and Shine Hair Mask. Enhances shine, nourishes and prevents breakage with shea butter and squalene. So I don't know, ये तीनों प्रोडक्ट तो मैं एक साथ यूज नहीं करूंगी. Probably like मैं मास्क हफ्ते में एक बार और कंडीशनर जब भी मैं वॉश करूँ तब यूज करूँ. Mostly I wash my hair every alternate day. And the mask is for 200 gram and the MRP is 379 and I picked up for 270 rupees. Like 270 rupees में hair mask अगर ये काम कर गया मेरे dry frizzy hair में, it's like gonna be a boon for me. This is the packaging. Oh my god, this smells good, guys. This is like normal white creamy in texture. This smells good. So power of the coconut is little more than the shampoo and thing. Like, I'm super excited. Just hope this works for my dry frizzy hair. So that's for the hair care range. The next one is the restock. This is none other than the Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. You guys already know. I'm about to finish the one that I'm using currently. Thoda bacha hai, but you guys can see, like, I cannot wait till it gets over and use something else. I immediately want to I immediately want to restock it before I can that, because like I'm that addicted to this. I don't want to like brag about this anymore. You guys already know I love this body lotion. People have been raving about this body lotion. Like you might have already seen your favorite YouTube influencers raving about it. So this is like 400 ml quantity. The MRP is 475, and I got it at 277 rupees. Guys, I picked this for 277. Like, what are you saying? Plum always goes on sale. Always be in a lookout for buy one get one offer, or when they had a birthday bash sale. That's when I picked up these products, and they gave me a freebie also. I'm super happy with this as well. So that's that. Then let's talk about the freebie. The first freebie is this. They gave me this small chotu body mist. This is in the variant smoking vanilla. इन्होंने पहले भी सेम चीज मुझे दिया है, और मैंने वो ट्रैवल पाउच में डाल दी ऑलरेडी. मैं ट्रेक्स एंड ऑल में जाती हूँ, तो दिस कम्स वेरी हैंडी. And ये 5 ml का quantity है. It's good potent also. This smoking vanilla range does last long. So 5 ml का quantity आराम से तुमको एक दिन या 2 दिन चल जाएगा. So that's that. Then they gave me a face wash. This is 1% oat and allantoin deep nourish face wash. This nourishes and soothes skin with vitamin F and vitamin B5. Okay. This has like new ingredients that I have not used, and this is 15 ml quantity. Again, मैं ये travel pouch में डालने वाली हूँ. I don't know. Let me use it and I'll tell you whether it works for me or not. And I've saved the best for the last. Guess what? They gave me a full size lipstick. So this is the Plum Twist and Go matte lipstick with ceramide and hyaluronic acid. $6.99. Have you used the Plum ka lip crayon? Let me know in the comment section below. I haven't used it. So it's a new product for me, and why I'm mad is इसका जो expiry date है वो 10/25 में. I do 10/25, मतलब अगले साल के अक्टूबर के अंदर मुझे ये लिपस्टिक खत्म करना है. So that's a bummer. When they give out the freebies, they always give up. They try to finish the nearby product, and especially lipsticks and all, ये लोग वो देने की कोशिश करते हैं जो running shade ना हो और near expiry हो. पड़े पड़े उनके पास expire होने वाला है. Anyways, nevertheless, the packaging is very nice. It's not matte. It's like a glossy packaging. और मुझे ये जो हार्ट्स बने ये काफी अच्छा लगा. This is a red color, so obviously I'm not gonna be using very frequently. But let's see if it has a cool undertone. Maybe probably I'll use it. I'm gonna give you a swatch here. So this is the shade. I hope you guys can see. Other than them giving a very pale, bright shade, which I wouldn't use, or which wouldn't suit dusky complexion, they gave a red shade. I'm not mad because red तो मैं use कर ही लूंगी कभी ना कभी. I'm not sure about the undertone. मुझे इतना blue undertone का लग नहीं रहा है ये. I think it does have a warm undertone. Let me give you a swatch on my lips as well, so that you guys also know. Creamy to apply, you guys. थोड़ा सा भी drag और tug और pull नहीं करना पड़ा. एक ही swipe में पूरा pigmentation मुझे मिल गया. So I think with that we come to the end of this video, and ये अभी थोड़ा transfer हो रहा है. I'm not sure it's gonna settle into a complete matte transfer proof lipstick or not. I'm gonna put this to test, and obviously I'm gonna let you know and update. Any which ways, this is not a new product. I'm sure many of you guys might have already used it. So yeah, now with that we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this mini Plum haul, and I hope you guys found this helpful. On the hair care range, I'm going to use this entire product. I'm going to let you know how it works. Any which ways, like my hair is hairing these days. It's not that bad. I'm like really touch wood. I'm happy about it. So whatever products that I'm using is currently working. This is gonna be a new product, but shampoo is something that I've already used, so I have like high expectations from the other hair care products. So that's about it. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this helpful. If it was, please do like, share, and comment on this video. And if you found this helpful, do subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. Without wasting more of your time, I would like to take off. Till then, you guys take care. Ta-da. Bye-bye.